Guys, I just made a video of my jackfruit, and now I wanted to kind of show you something else that popped up in my yard here. Check this out, guys. Look at this giant papaya here that grew from a seed that I didn't even plant. It just all of a sudden it just started growing there. And check it out. Well, look at this. Keeps flowering and loaded with fruit, and look at how big it is. Just keeps going up. Easily like 11 feet tall at this point. So papaya is definitely one of my favorite fruits, one of my favorite tropical fruits. They taste great, so refreshing. They're good for digestion, and tree that you could be, within a year you could be from a seed, you can end up, having fruit already and eating from that tree. It doesn't really cost anything, and just, feed it well, water, fertilizer, mulch around it. I haven't really done too much of that in this one, just left it there. Kind of, like I said, it kind of came up on its own, but they do quite well here. They do have, a lifespan. Some of them grow, for years, and they still get fruit. They just keep getting taller, and sometimes you can cut it and then they can grow back again. But a lot of people, most of the time they just kind of take the fruit for a few years and then they just get rid of the tree and plant another one. It's not really a tree. It's like, if you ever open it inside, it's kind of hollow inside. It's like a shrub. But like I said, papayas and bananas, two trees, shrubs, whatever, that do quite well here in South Florida, and kind of very synonymous with the tropics, and they give great food. I mean, bananas and papayas are two great fruits and very healthy. And like I said, really you can grow them from basically for free. I mean, you don't really need much. You can find, the bananas, they have shoots that, they get on the side, and you can just take one and put it in the ground, and then, it goes from there. And then the papayas, same thing, from a seed, and you're good. So just wanted to give you a little update on how things are looking a little bit here. And I got food right here from my papaya and my jackfruit up, in the front. So just wanted to give you a little update because I haven't made too many videos lately. I've just been really busy dealing with a lot of work and some health things I've been having to take care of with my parents. So I haven't been able to make too many videos, but God willing, I can make some more close soon. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. As always, God bless. Thank you.